Good morning, grade 6. How are you all today? I hope you are doing well. So, girls, last class or last lesson you have studied that what are bones made up of, and I told you it's compact bone, spongy bone which is inside. Outside, it's made of calcium. We have something called ligament which connects one bone to the other. We have cartilage. We have blood vessels, that is capillaries. So this was the structure of the bone. Today we will study about how our bones connected. One bone is connected to other bone, which is called as a joint, with the help of ligament. I told you that this is with the help of ligament. Some joint allow movement of body parts and others stop or limit movement. Some of them they allow the part to move, and some of them they don't allow the other part to move. It's not that all bones are connected just to move the parts of the body. Imagine how difficult it would be to do everything such as tying your shoelaces if your joints of your arms and hands could not move. Imagine. So I told you joints are the place where two bones meet. They connect. Two bones when they connect, that place is called joint, and it is connected with what? With the help of ligament. Strong, flexible ligaments. Most of them are flexible. Some of them, when the bone is not needed to move, it's the stronger one. Now, the end of the bones are covered with cartilage. It's a tissue. Cartilage is a special tissue. It's a very strong tissue. It is smooth, flexible, connective tissue that helps cushion the area. It gives like a cushion to that area in a joint where bone is. Some joints allow little or no movement. The fixed joint, like example, your skull. Your skull is joined with different bones, but they're fixed. And mostly other are movable joints, which allow movement of the bones. Example of movement joints, girls, remember the names first: ball and socket, gliding joint, and hinge joint. Ball and socket, gliding joint, and hinge joint. They have shown you simple pictures here, how it is ball and socket, how it is gliding, how they slide over each other. They slide, and here how they are fixed like knee and elbow. They are hinge joints. They work like the door. Do you know the hinges of the door, the corner? How that works. And the first one, it exactly works like a ball and a socket, how the ball gets fixed into the socket. So shoulder and hip are ball and socket joints. Wrist, ankles are gliding joints. Now what are the function? They allow one of the bones of the joint to rotate in a large circle. And here the gliding joint, it gives flexibility in many directions. Like example, how can you move your finger? While I'm saying, you can just move your shoulder into all clockwise and anti-clockwise and see how this ball and socket joint is helpful. Then try to move your fingers and say this is a gliding joint, which gives you flexibility. And knees and elbows are the joints. They work like door hinges, allows bones to move back and forth.